What's up and welcome to the dojo. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a beautiful dragon. So just follow along step by step and you'll end up with a drawing you're really happy with. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. So of course we're gonna draw a circle, a cross and then a circle. If you know how to draw a circle right away, do it. You don't need to draw the cross. But if you want to be more accurate with the proportions, you have more guidelines if you draw also the cross. So my advice is to do it anyway. And try to be light with the pressure. You are going to erase all of these lines afterwards. Here I'm dividing the upper circle into two parts, and also here I'm dividing that line into two equal parts, because later that will be the mark to indicate the mouth. Now, if you have a kneaded eraser, good, use it, because we're gonna soften the lines. And if you haven't, go and buy it. Another split here in the middle, and we're gonna draw the eye. I prefer to teach drawing this way because I've seen a lot of tutorial channels that put on the screen specific measurements, draw a line 6 centimeters, another line 8 centimeters and a half, etc, etc. And I think, yeah, you are going to draw that, but you are not gonna be able to learn how to copy an image by yourself because you don't know what you're doing. But using guidelines that are more or less accurate will train your eye-hand coordination, and with the time you're gonna be able to draw by yourself, copying an image and create something new and be an artist. And by the way, I've done it in the past, because I have a couple of videos where I put measurements on the screen, but later I realized that it wasn't the right way to do it, so I don't do it anymore. But now it's time for you to draw with yourself. So I'm gonna let you listen to my background music and I'll let you draw. Okay, this is an intermediate step between the sketch and the shading, because we are going to do a more detailed sketch. We're gonna add some texture to this dragon, some anatomy, but don't be scared by these words, because what I'm doing right now is pretty random actually. It's just to give the illusion that I am drawing something detailed and anatomy, etc. of the dragon, because trust me, I don't know what I'm doing. So you shouldn't too. Here you can go pretty random and follow your feelings. Wow, we have some color here. We are gonna use some colored pencil. If you have it good, you can follow what I'm doing, and if you don't have it, don't worry, you can just use the normal pencil, or if you have other colors, you can use other colors. As long as you keep the values correct, it's good. And what I mean by that is that you have to use a colored pencil that is pretty dark, one pretty light, and another one that is in the middle. So this is a 3-value system. You can do it with colored pencil, you can do it more easily with just a pencil, like a normal pencil. But yeah, I've used, for example, a red for the darkest part, a yellow for the lightest part, and an orange for the mid part. Really easy. And then for the blending part, use the lightest color to blend the darkest one. So use the yellow over the orange, and use the orange over the red. Don't use the red over the orange or the yellow, because you're gonna cover this color. But while I was talking, as you can see in the video, I've started the shading part. As I say every time, just observe where the darkest part and the lightest part are and trying to copy carefully. Take your time and don't press too much at first. Like I'm doing right now, I'm pretty light with the pressure. Try to build the shades progressively. And that's it. Your dragon is done. If you follow the step by step, you should already have a solid drawing. And if you wanna level up, I've got more tutorials right here. Go try another one. See you in the dojo. Bye.